Game. Starting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You okay? You okay?
I think.
You bleeding?
Yeah. I'm good though.
Yeah. You hit? You hit, Liam?
I felt the wind though.
Or your hits though? But some bullets that you didn't die. I saw the bullet hit your legs.
It didn't hit my leg. That wasn't my leg.
Hey, I'm not going there. No, not today. Not today. No, 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 no. Oh crap! I shoot him! Ah, motherfuckers! Ah! Jake. Oh, that's awkward. That's awkward. I don't see what to do. Come here! Liam! Liam! I hit you! And right here! I'm right here! Whoa, dang! Lady, calm down!
Please don't make noise. You scared the crap out of me.
Are you dead?
No!
Oh, okay. Go back that way.
Andrew!
I was just saying you
Watch
can
this.
go towards this direction.
Watch this.
Go back that way.
Watch this.
Isn't that shooting?
Pew! 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 Okay.
See it too?
Yeah. Well, it's like none left.
Run.
I can rush them on.
Oh, you have some?
Bullets will sit.
Oh, you don't have any CO2?
No, I'm almost out.
Hey, there's 3 taming.
Yeah, I know.
We'll kill them, and then you'll get a gun.
I got this.
Just push up and
I got this. You're hit, both hit. Yes, I did. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Liam. Liam. Hey. What? Liam, watch this. Watch this. Pew, pew, pew. There's CO2.
It's a terrible gun.
No, there's no CO2 left.
Oh, okay.
I rushed you guys, and it was like, pew, pew. It probably tapped you, yeah.
I didn't feel anything.
Yeah, you weren't. I saw it hit you, but you wouldn't feel it. No.
I didn't feel anything.
Yeah, you didn't. Huh? Yep.
It has almost no
Hey, can I say?
ammunition left, but that's about it.
Jake, those have bullets.
No.
Those have bullets? Well. So we on Jake.
Okay, watch this.
Andrew, I don't have a gun. Andrew, just come kill me. Huh? No bullets, no bullets. No. Feels bad. Come kill me.
Or I could just kill Jared. Messenger.
Jake, you're dead. You're dead, Jake. Andrew, feel better? Yeah, here. Thank you, Jake. Andrew, you have it?
Yeah, I do.
Do you though?
I do.
Do you though? Do you? Okay. Hit you, Andrew. I hit you? Oh, curve beautiful, dang it.
I was like, what do you mean?
Like I shot a bullet and went this one. Because I was running in a curving bullets.
Let's go get Austin in this fast.
I just didn't want to mow you down.
Just hit me once.
Oh, I know.
I'm freaking
I was on
spraying.